A wall stud is a vertical framing member, typically made of wood or metal. It supports drywall, insulation, and even the roof above. Wall studs are installed vertically between the bottom plate and top plates, creating the structural framework of the wall. Wall studs are installed vertically to efficiently bear extreme weights from the roof, upper floors, and other structural loads, distributing the force down to the foundation. Did you know pre-cut wood studs are available for standard 8-foot and 9-foot ceilings? These pre-cut options make framing faster and easier, saving time on measuring and cutting. For 8-foot walls, pre-cut studs measure 92 and 5/8 inches. When placed on a single 2x bottom plate and a double top plate, the total wall height becomes 97 and 1/8 inches. This setup allows for 5/8 inch drywall to be installed on the ceilings, while keeping the drywall that is attached to the walls a ½ inch off the subfloor. That small gap between the drywall and subfloor is crucial. It gives the drywall room to expand and contract and prevents it from absorbing any floor moisture. For 9-foot walls, pre-cut studs come in at 104 and 5/8 inches. This extra length allows for the same framing system and drywall setup, making it simple to achieve taller ceilings without custom cuts. Equally important is proper stud spacing. Wall studs are typically spaced 16 or 24 inches on center. This standard exists to align perfectly with 4x8 sheet materials like drywall or plywood, minimizing cuts and material waste. This spacing also ensures the wall is strong enough to support weight. If you're working in commercial spaces or moisture-prone areas, metal studs are a great alternative. They're lightweight, rot-resistant, and ideal for precise framing. Whether you're building for 8-foot or 9-foot ceilings, understanding wall studs is key to a strong and efficient structure. That's it for this quick look at wall studs. For more construction tips and tricks, subscribe to Construction Clarity. Your next project just got simpler.